Smash Block TV.
Better believe that.
Dear God, times are changing and the weather got hot. Over the past year, a lot of niggas with props drop. So I thank you for my life and all that I got. I wanna praise you and drop off a message of pop. I was sitting here looking at your picture, my nigga. Putting hash with the weed with a mixture of liquor. We can't kick it, you ain't with us. It's the shit I can't figure, nigga. I miss you. There's no I'm going more, you tell I'm with you.
Over past years,
A lot of soldiers with props drop.
I'd like to thank you for my life
Happy
and
birthday,
all
belated
that I got.
birthday the day after. My homie Tupac Shakur. You know what I mean?
I was sitting
That's what
here
we doing.
looking at your picture. I miss you.
It's in Chile doing it. I told him, since it's Pac's birthday, I don't speak Spanish, but I speak Scarface. Got it in for him, hard body. Miss you, brother. One love, this is what it do. Hard body. Now hold up, and for all the haters, I just want to show you one thing. Anybody got something to say about my brother, I'll just leave you with this one right here. From my brother, he just sent it to me. It's for all the haters. That's what we do, baby. Pop for life. Yay, yay, outlaws.
Now I've got to ask on the niggas' ass. Tell me, will they blast me? I think of an alias in case